Hi Lexoids, I'm Alexandria Long and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell from today's title, we are going to be going shopping at the semi-annual sale at Bath & Body Works once again. So today is day 2. So if you haven't seen yesterday's video already, make sure to go check that out. Originally, I wasn't going to do a day 2 because I had some luck on day 1, but I'm going to a different store today and I want to check out, the store and see what they had. But yeah, I posted that video yesterday and it's already at 800 views, which is so crazy, and I gained like 20 subscribers since yesterday. And I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a lot to me, and I really appreciate y'all and I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. But yeah, we're about to go into another Bath & Body Works, do some looking around, hopefully pick up a couple of things, and yeah, so without further ado, let's just dive right into this video.
Alright y'all, so immediately walking into the store, I saw the same setup I saw in the other 2 stores I went to, where everything was $4.95 when it pertained to like the holiday body care set that they just released. So as you guys could tell, they just had every scent. So they had Joy, which is a really good scent, Sugared Snickerdoodle. They had this one right here, which is Love Cotton Candy Champagne. They also had Hope, which was the little peach one right down here, which is white peach marshmallow. They had Peace, which is iced raspberry Bellini, which is once again one of my favorite scents from my collection. Then they had the classic Vanilla Be Noel and Winter Candy Apple. Going over to the other side, we had some more of the holiday collection. So we had Twisted Peppermint, Fireside Flurries, we had Twilight Midnight Sky, and also Frosted Coconut, and it was in many forms, as you could tell. Alright you guys, next up I moved on to a table where everything was 50% off. So diving right in, I saw the scents Happy Vibe and Pink Watermelon. I want to get these scents, but I'm not getting them unless they become 75% off. But they also had a lot of little holiday car clips, for your little car fragrances. But for the aromatherapy, we had Awakening Sun, Restful Moon, Classic Flannel. We also had that little peppermint scent, which is released on the holiday collection. Then going on up, we had that Black Cherry and Lavender scent, which smells pretty good if you like scents that aren't like too strong, but they're still there. But then on the opposite side, we also had Fresh Gardenia, we had Marigold, we had the Blackberry. Then we also had this scent called Secret Wonderland, which smells so good, Honey Wildflower and Classic Flannel. Then, just like the first 2 stores I went to, they had all the Winter Candy Apple and Vanilla Be Noel for $4.95. They were trying to get rid of it, as you can tell. Next up, I moved on to the 75% off table, which had a lot of options, as you guys could tell. So let's just dive right into it. So first up, I saw In the Stars in the shower gel. I saw Grapefruit Froze and the body cream, which is such a good scent. They also had Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin in the shower gel. We had Sunshine Mimosa. They also had some candy on display, such as Pumpkin and Vanilla Cream, Berry Waffle Cone. They had the French Lavender lotion, the Pumpkin Pecan Latte in a body cream and in a spray. Then going to the other side, we had Open Sky in a lotion and in a body wash on the side. I don't know if y'all saw it, but they also had Strawberry Pound Cake in the shower gel. We had Lakeside Citrus and Sunrise Woods in the body mousse, and I just got a body mousse, so I'm excited to try it. But then we also had Cherry Blossom. Alright you guys, now moving on to the table where everything was $8. So we had 1,000 Christmas Wishes, we had Golden Sunflower, Magic in the Air. Then going on to the other side, we also had Snowflakes and Cashmere, which is one of my personal new favorites, Magic in the Air, and pretty much the same setup on the other side. Alright you guys, next up I moved on to a table where everything was 75% off. As you can tell, they had a lot of Berry Waffle Cone body creams and also a lot of Sunkissed shower gels and like mist, which was pretty crazy. Moving on to the other side of the table, once again, just a lot of Berry Waffle Cone products. They had it in like the body cream, the mist, the body mousse, and it was just a lot going on there. But then we also had Cozy Sunday Morning in the shower gel, which is one of the new scents, which I really love, Vanilla Mocha Cream, and a lot of Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. And then they had Black Raspberry Vanilla. I'd never really seen that scent before, but it smelled pretty good. They had a lot of Midsummer Dream and also a lot of Hibiscus Paradise as well. Like, as you can tell, they were trying to get rid of that stuff, y'all. But then once again, they just had that whole holiday collection for $4.95 and the same thing on this side as well. Alright, you guys, so next up, I moved on to another 75% off table, but what was different about this table is that it was all sanitizers, which I had never seen the store do this before. So they had blackberry and basil, which is one of my favorite scents. They had these holiday scents out. They had this scent right here. It was just a lot going on here, and I was just really excited because I had never seen in a semi-annual sale where they have all the sanitizers 75% off. And also, I found fragrance-free sanitizer. Like, I didn't even know they had that. Okay, guys, so continuing on to the other side of the sanitizer table, it was pretty much the same thing that was on the other side. It was a lot of fall and winter scents that I guess they're trying to get rid of. But yeah, it was pretty cool just to see all that 75% off. Alright, you guys, moving on to another table where everything on the table was just Starlit Night because one of their new scents and it smells so good. But I won't get it unless it's 75% off. Alright, you guys, so I found another section where everything was 75% off, but it was just Midsummer Dream. Alright, you guys, next up I moved on to another section where everything was 50% off, but it was just hand sanitizers. So they had all these fall scents, as you could tell by the ones I'm picking up, but they also had some of the holiday scents. I felt that most of it was in the sale because they're just trying to get rid of a lot of it. But yeah, I was just showing you guys what they had by picking them up. But yeah, it was mostly just fall and holiday scents. Alright, you guys, now moving on to another table where everything is 50% off. As you could tell, we had Pink Lemonade, we had Summertime Surf, and then we also had Endless Weekend, which is just a classic scent that I feel like a lot of people have had if you've ever had Bath & Body Works. I know that was one of my first scents I got, but they also had Cashmere Glow and also Starlit Night and Dark Kiss. Alright, you guys, next up we moved on to another section where everything was 50% off. It was a lot of retired scents such as Cucumber Melon, Dark Kiss, and then we also had some of the newer scents down there as well. But I went to this wall over here because they were really trying to get rid of this holiday collection. Look at all this. All that was $4.95. And it's all those holiday scents that were just released at Winter Candy Apple or Vanilla Noel. Next up, I moved on to a table where they had a lot of men's body care. So they had Clean Slate, we had Marble, we had Canyon. Canyon's such a good scent. And then I was trying not to get me in this lady's way. But then we also had Classic Flannel and like a shower gel. We had Clean Slate in the shower gel. And then we also had some more scents over here as well. Then of course, y'all can already see we have another section where all the holiday body care was $4.95. Next up, we moved on to another table where everything was 50% off, and we had Dark Kiss, Happy Vibes, and Cashmere Glow.
Hi, Lexori. So I just got back at the car, y'all. It's hot. Oh my gosh. Like, I was already sweaty a little from the gym, and now I'm even more sweaty from shopping. But y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and give y'all a haul once again right here, right now. I'm just gonna down a little bit. Try to get some air in here, but I don't want it to be, you know, overpowering me. So let's just take a little thunder picture. Dive right into what we got, y'all, because I forgot. I didn't forget, but I have to go to work today and I have less time to edit this video than I thought. So unfortunately, it probably won't be going up today, which is December 27th. It's probably going to be going up tomorrow, which is fine because, you know, we got to go to work and get the bag. But anyway, let me just dive in and show you guys what we picked up. So first up, I got Wrapped in Sunshine in the I can't even speak, y'all. I got Wrapped in Sunshine in the shower gel. I really love this scent. I have it in a mist and I got it in a lotion yesterday. It's just, oh y'all, it just smells so good. For anyone who's wondering, the fragrance notes are golden citrus, white peach, and blonde woods. It's just like, oh, it's so sweet and I love it. Next up, I got Sunrise Woods in a body mousse. If you watched my video from yesterday, well, it won't be from yesterday when you're watching this. If you watched my first semi-annual sale video, I was able to pick this up in a lotion yesterday. I really like this scent more than I thought because I have it in a mist at home already, but I got it in a lotion yesterday and I kind of just fell in love with it again. Next up, I picked up In the Stars in the shower gel. I love this in the Stars. If you like Into the Night or Sunrise Woods, most likely you are gonna like Into the Stars because I wouldn't say they're similar scents, but like they kind of have that like type of, I would say they're in the same genre because they're all kind of like musky type scents, but they smell good. You know what I mean? If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. But anyway, the next thing I picked up was French Lavender and Honey in a body cream. I got 2 of these yesterday, but I did give one to my mom, so I decided to get another one because I wanted to have 2. So I feel like this would be a great gift to give to somebody, or I could just keep it for myself. I don't really know yet. Next up, I picked up sanitizers. So in the store I just went to, they had all the sanitizers 75% off, and that's what I should know. I'm gonna note in this video, just like yesterday, I didn't buy anything unless it was 75% off because I feel like the stuff that's 50% off, it will end up going down eventually, so I'm not gonna buy it right now. So I just got stuff that was strictly 75% off, the same thing I did yesterday. But I went ahead and picked up some there's hand sanitizing sprays, but they're called antibacterial mist. So I got blackberries and basil. I have this in at home already. I really like it. It's very fresh and fruity, so it kind of opens up your sinuses a little bit when you spray it. But then I also picked up Champagne Toast, just a classic hand sanitizer. I wanted to get this the last time they had a hand sanitizer sale, but I wasn't able to get it because they were all sold out. And then I also got these fragrance-free hand sanitizers, because one thing my mom doesn't like is that if I carry these around, because she's like, you know, you can't be spraying that in public, da da da. When I'm by myself or I'm with my parents or friends, it's different. But you know, when I'm in public, I don't want to, you know, be messing with people's sinuses. So they have these fragrance-free sanitizing sprays, and I didn't even know they had these. And then it ended up being, how much was this? It ended up being $1.62. So these are normally $6.50, and I was like, you know what, let's just go ahead and grab those, because why not? So putting everything back into that bag. Next thing I picked up was just more body cream. So I got white pumpkin and chai. I really liked this in yesterday because it kind of smells like a cinnamon roll, but my friend didn't like it when I was, if you watched my video well, it'll be the other day with Daisy, so I didn't get it. But then I left the store and I kind of regretted not getting it, but I saw it in the store for 75% off, the one I just went to, so I was like, I might as well snatch it up. Next up, we have black raspberry and vanilla. My mom actually has this in at home, and I really like it because when we picked it up, and she picked it up in the semi-annual sale in July, and I didn't really like it, but then I smelled it again and I kind of messed with it. I don't know, I had to put it on my body to really tell. But then next thing up, I picked up grapefruit froze. I picked this up yesterday, and a body lotion, but oh, I just love it so much, you guys. I regret it once again. I got 2 of these if you watch my video, but I gave 1 to my mom. Everything I got 2 of yesterday is because 1 was from my mom, so I decided to just get another, you know, I decided to get it in a body cream form because I already have it in lotion form. But yeah, that's everything I picked up in the sale, y'all. I actually have to go because I have to start getting ready for work, because I gotta go to work. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for 800 views on yesterday's video. That's really crazy. I'm super excited, and we're at like 414 subscribers right now. Yesterday we were at 392, and I'm just like it's just really fun and exciting. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you. If you haven't already, make sure to go check out my other videos, and if you haven't, like, hit that big red subscribe button and become a Lexoid, because I love to have you, and I'm sure the other Lexoids love to have you guys as well. But yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait for 2022 because I have so many things planned. It's just a matter of getting myself together to actually get them done and up. But yeah, I'm really excited, and if you want to see more hygiene content, more fun energizing content, then y'all should just go ahead and click that subscribe button. But anyway, I love you guys so much. I'm going to stop rambling. Bye, Lexoid.